In this video, I'm going to give you a quick and honest review of QuickBooks versus Gusto versus Wave versus FreshBooks, four tools business owners often consider when they want to manage invoices, expenses, payroll, and payments in a way that actually saves time and reduces headaches so you can understand which one fits your workflow and real-world needs. All four tools help with money-related tasks, but they focus on very different parts of running a business. Before using any of them, many small business owners handle invoicing in one place, track expenses in another, manage payroll with spreadsheets or separate systems, and chase payments manually. That scattered approach wastes time, increases stress, and makes it harder to see your full financial picture. Switching to a dedicated platform means less manual work, fewer mistakes, and more time focusing on clients, customers, and growth. QuickBooks is the most comprehensive accounting tool of the four. It handles invoicing, expense tracking, bank reconciliation, financial reports, tax summaries, and optional payroll add-ons all inside one system. This makes it strong for business owners who want a full view of cash flow and financial health without jumping between apps. If your business has multiple projects, recurring invoices, and a need to monitor profit and loss over time, QuickBooks gives you detailed insight and history you can act on. The trade-off is complexity because it covers so many areas. The setup takes longer and there's a learning curve compared with simpler tools. Gusto is focused almost entirely on payroll and employee management. If your team includes salaried staff or hourly workers, Gusto automates wage calculations, tax withholdings, pension or benefits contributions, and payroll compliance. Instead of manually calculating pay, handling deductions on spreadsheets, and tracking tax deadlines, Gusto handles it for you and can even file and pay taxes in many regions. This relieves a huge administrative burden for small business owners who want to avoid payroll errors and stay compliant without specialized accounting knowledge. What it does not replace, though, is a full accounting system. You'll still need something else for your invoices and expense tracking. Wave takes a very different approach. It offers core features for free and is ideal for freelancers, gig workers, or micro-businesses that don't need complex accounting. You get invoicing, basic income, and expense tracking, and simple financial overviews without paying a monthly fee. For someone who sends only a handful of invoices each month and isn't dealing with payroll or multi-user teams, Wave gives a lot of value at minimal cost. The limitation is that once you want payroll support, advanced reporting, or automation, Wave's free tools can feel too simple and you'll find yourself looking for add-ons or separate tools. FreshBooks sits between these in terms of depth and simplicity. It's built around professional invoicing and expense tracking, and appeals especially to freelancers, consultants, and service-based businesses. Creating and sending invoices with your branding is fast, converting tracked hours into billable time is straightforward, and logging expenses from receipts or bank feeds doesn't feel clunky. FreshBooks doesn't dive as deep into full accounting as QuickBooks, but it doesn't overwhelm you with complexity either. If your priority is getting paid on time, reducing manual admin, and keeping client billing organized, FreshBooks does that clearly and with less setup. In day-to-day use, these differences matter. QuickBooks gives you a big-picture view of your business finances with detailed tracking and reporting. Gusto takes the pain out of paying staff and staying compliant. Wave lets you handle basic invoices and money in/out tracking for free. And FreshBooks makes professional invoicing and simple expense management feel effortless. Understanding how each tool fits into your workflow is key. The best choice isn't always the one with the most features. It's the one that aligns with how you work, what problems you're solving today, and how much complexity you're ready to manage. Let me know in the comments if you've tried QuickBooks, Gusto, Wave, or FreshBooks, or are considering switching to one of them. If this review helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.